Hello, hi everyone. My name is Wesley, and this is everything that I do in a day owning and operating a pop-up turned full-blown restaurant here in Oakland called Woo Can Cook. It's a lot of stuff, so here we go. We're starting off with some meal prep and a pretty hearty breakfast. There's a reason why kitchen workers are notorious for having really bad eating habits, and it's because we're pretty much exclusively working during the times that normal people eat. So add to that the fact that I'm also about to be working for like 12 straight hours, and a little meal prep is usually pretty helpful, even if this salad is gonna be hella soggy by the time that I eat it in 6 hours. This omelet was pretty decent though. Someday I'll figure out how to actually use a non-stick pan. I don't know. Next, I'm squeezing in a bunch of admin stuff here before I head out. I'm 100% certain that GoPro footage of my inventory Excel sheet is not good YouTube content, but well, here we are anyway. Like most restaurants, we do have a wholesale supplier relationship for our bulk food items. Shout out to my guy Eric with Buy Right. Many of our specials do require specialty items though, so on a given day, you'll usually catch me at 5 or 6 other grocery stores, mostly in Oakland, Chinatown, grabbing these specialty items. Shout out to my guy Ray with Taylor Sausage for the best ground pork in town. Sabrina and the whole family that runs Yun Hop Noodles, where we get all of our, well, noodles. Hometown Grocery for all of our pantry goods and sauces. Full disclosure, I know that this might look like I'm buying a youtiao from the back of a van here, but this is actually the guy that supplies the youtiao for Hometown Grocery. Also, US Foods or Chef Store for, well, I'm not really even sure, to be honest. These guys are always sold out of pretty much everything. And of course, the homies at Ace Hardware, where you can literally explain to them anything that you happen to be building or installing, and they'll give you like 4 different options for what you can use. Anyway, over at the kitchen, our team is pretty self-sufficient at this point, so these days I mostly just hop in and help out with whatever needs to get done at that current time. Some days that happens to be cooking on the walk during busy times, but it also might be taking orders or calling tickets, helping customers, or like a million other things. Today's our prep day for the week, so I'm also helping make a couple of sauces, restocking the walk-in, organizing the pantry. Here we're slicing some pork butt for our tossy pork, installing sliding locks, just kind of a little bit of everything, really. Today we've got our prep team in the back of the house working on specials and sauces that we'll need for the week, so there's a little bit more commotion going on than usual. Around 3 o'clock though, we've got a shift change during these slow hours, so I'm heading home to walk this chaos monster. Ball is light.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh.
Back over at the kitchen, it gets pretty slow in between the lunch and dinner service, so that's usually a good time for me to knock out a bunch more admin stuff in the back. Brace yourselves, y'all, this is actual footage of me filing my sales taxes for the quarter. Pretty intense YouTube content, I know. After that, this is usually a pretty good time to also knock out a lot of the random tasks that no one ever wants to do, like emptying the grease trap or cleaning the dishes so that the closing crew doesn't have to do all of this by themselves. Then this was also a nice little dinner rush that hit just in time for our closing crew to take over. I helped out with this for a little bit while it was really busy, then slipped out once it started slowing down and the closing crew was in a pretty good spot to finish up without me. And yeah, that's about it. Here's half of a cold burger and some leftover movie snacks that I ate for dinner because I was too lazy to cook for myself. Alright, see y'all next time. Bye.